the Ateneo Special Education Society, or Ateneo SPEED, invites you to apply as a SPEED Executive Committee Head, or SPEC. The Secretary General Department is in charge of data processing for dissemination and documentation processes. Exciting, right? There are 4 specs under the Secretary General. The first spec is the documentation spec, who is in charge of compiling the org's documents and records. He or she is also in charge of the photo coverage of SPEED's projects. There are 2 creatives head. The publications head serves as the EIC of SPLAT and of the online newsletter. The promotions head is in charge of the promotional materials of the organization. The evaluations head is in charge of the post-project evaluations to be presented to the council on a monthly basis. Lastly, the Secretariat Head manages all information management avenues and updates the SPEED membership database. If you want to be organized and creative at the same time, then the Secretary General Department is for you. Join the Secretary Department and help us make a more musical SPEED experience!